Om Shanti. Each year we celebrate the festival of Shivratri, which is also called JAYANTI sometimes, the anniversary of Shiva, and also the night of Shiva. What does this exactly mean? What is it all about? Shivratri reminds us that the one who is the Supreme Father and Mother, the Supreme Soul, Shiva, and the word Shiva means the benefactor, the point, and the seed of all world creation, the human world tree. And Shiva, the benefactor, incarnates on this earth at a time when there is total darkness. In fact, the celebration comes at a time when there is no moonlight at all, the darkest night. And at this point in the world, we see that this is the condition of the world, a time when there is total darkness. And at such a time, our Supreme Parent has incarnated to show us what it is we need to do to be able to purify ourselves. God has been remembered as the purifier and the ocean of knowledge, and the purification happens not just by bathing in water, but this purification happens by allowing the soul to receive the knowledge from the divine and to be cleansed through that knowledge. So at the time when it is the night, when human souls are suffering and darkness is at its peak, the incarnation of God means that this is the time when God brings light into the world so that the dark night can change and the day can begin. For the Bhagats, it's a time for fasting, and yes, a fast means upvas, that which is going to bring you closer to God so that you can live with God. But of course, physical fasting is only one aspect. Yes, you save a lot of time and energy when you're fasting, but it actually means the fast which is the fast of purification, the fast in which I say no to anything that's negative, anything that's going to impact my thoughts, my words, or my actions in a negative way, because it is then that I'll come closer to God. After the fasting, the incarnation of God, and then after the incarnation, yes, we know that light enters the world, and we are then able to move forward into the day. I believe that this is that same period of time that we are now remembering, and it's now actually happening, that we are preparing for the day once more. Om Shanti.